Hello everyone, my name is Trophy Steffi. Welcome to this 5-minute booty builder rebounder workout for all levels. I'll be jumping on my 39-inch Bcan Softland Pro Fitness trampoline. This unit and all the rebounders we recommend on this channel are linked in the description box below, and they're also linked at ijumpinstead.com. Here's a quick rundown for this class. We're gonna start with a 30-second warm-up. We're gonna do glute pumps. So bounce, 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 bounce. We're gonna squeeze those glutes forward, and this is gonna help us to activate into the glutes and stretch through the hips. Then we're gonna do 4 minutes of muscle activation, and we're gonna rotate between two moves. We're gonna do glute squeeze, hold, and bounce. So we're gonna push those hips forward and we're gonna squeeze the glutes, I'd say at a 7 out of 10 intensity. You can do a 5 out of 10 or a 10 out of 10, but I think that 7 out of 10 range is gonna be perfect. We're just gonna push those hips forward and squeeze those glutes and gently bounce, nose breathing for 30 seconds. And then the second move is gonna be living room legs. And this is gonna accomplish a glute stretch. So I want you to hold your bar, and living room legs is a stepping sequence where we're gonna go out, out, in, out, in. And we are stepping flat-footed, but we are gonna emphasize the push into the heels, and this will help us to stretch and reach the glutes out. So you're gonna be bending your knees, and you're gonna be in your stepping sequence, and every single step is an opportunity to do two things: to stretch the glutes, but also to squeeze the glutes. So I want you to try it right now, getting into the stepping sequence. Every step is a press, and that is essentially, just the press itself is a squeeze because you can feel the muscle contract when you press, but also it's a stretch. So we're squeezing in one way or another, we're stretching, and we are stepping in this sequence, living room legs. 30 seconds, 30 seconds. We're gonna do 4 minutes of muscle activation with that quick warm up and cool down. Are you ready? Let's get right into it. Starting with glute squeeze pumps. So I want you to bounce, 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 and squeeze. And we are stretching into the lower back. We're activating into the core. I do want you to use your core muscles, put a little firmness in those core muscles, and see if you can push back and forward a little bit deeper just to really open up that lower spine. And we have our teeth gently closed. Let's breathe through our nose throughout the entire 5 minutes. 3, 2, 1, let's keep the glutes forward and let's gently bounce. 30 seconds here. Glute squeeze, hold, shoulders down, and feet are flat or the heels are pumping. And you are squeezing about a 7 out of 10 intensity. Can you get up to there? Maybe 5 out of 10. This already should be activating into those glutes and helping you to connect mind to muscle, feeling that isometric squeeze and activation. Let's go to living room legs in 3, 2, and 1. So now we're gonna bend those knees and we're going to make every step count, pressing through flat feet, pressing deeply into the heels while squeezing into the glutes, while stretching into those glutes. Keep your chest up, core engaged. And you can explore the pace. You can pick up the pace, you can bend your knees more, you can squeeze harder. There's lots of ways to advance it, but I want your mouth closed. Glute squeeze, hold, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. So how wide your feet are is up to you. If you want to try a little bit more of a narrow stance, you could. You could even have your feet together. But we're practicing here with our feet wider and really put in that effort to keep the glutes squeezed throughout this entire segment. Keep them squeezed while we're bouncing. We're applying that G-force. 3, 2, living room legs. Here we go. So now we're stretching, squeezing, pushing down into our rebounder, engaging the core, shoulders are down. A very similar upper body posture throughout this 5 minutes. Chin level, teeth gently closed, eyes relaxed, shoulders down. Glute squeeze hold is next. 3, 2, 1, feet in a wide stance, pushing those glutes forward. You might even dial up the flex just a little bit with the exhale. Flex with the X, but we're flexing throughout the inhale as well. We're just holding that squeeze, nothing more to it. We're getting that pump and that flush while we're squeezing. Living room legs. 3, 2, and stretch, and press and walk, squeeze, core engaged, upper body, feeling calm, relaxed, focused, present, feeling every step. That's really important. I want you to find the pace that allows you to connect to every step, to every heel press. One more glute squeeze hold. Let's make it count. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Shoulders down, holding the bar. You might even explore leaning back, keeping your chin level, just to get your hips forward more. And you might explore a different width in your foot placement, just to see how it feels. You might explore your toes, shifting positions, maybe to a wider position. Living room legs. 3, 2, and 1. Last one here. Fantastic job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet in a wide stance, and let's just do the hip rocking here, forward and back at your perfect pace, just to release the lower back, relaxing the breath, the shoulders, the eyes. And now let's do a little back twist to help us with the lower back, bringing it into beautiful alignment through the stretch. 3, 2, and 1. I have a bonus move for you. If you've got time, let's tap those glutes for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Amazing job. I just want you to know that there are lots of moves that we can do to transform the glutes while rebounding, but those are just 2 very powerful moves. If you want to know more about activating the muscles here on this channel, check out our playlist section. There are hundreds of free routines that'll get you off on the right foot when it comes to your jumping journey. If you want to know more about the exact rebounders that we recommend on this channel, go to our website, ijumpinstead.com. If you liked this routine, please give it a thumbs up, and I want you to leave in the comment section below, if you can, I want you to leave the peach emoji. If you're working on your glutes and building a beautiful backside, I want you to leave 1 or 2 peaches in the comment section. Thanks again so much for joining me today, and don't forget, if you're interested in our latest routines here at I Jump Instead, feel free to join our membership for only $15 a month. You have to go to the join button. If you see an increased fee, follow these instructions and they will help you navigate, so you do not have to pay that fee, and you can only pay $14.99 a month for 4 brand new routines every single week. We can't wait to see you in the next class. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for the peaches in the comment section. Take care.